scenes you don't see anywhere else. I'm pretty sure you have not seen and you will not see anywhere else. But the Arctic. This is the Arctic Circle. When it's the winter and the wind chills come down wherever you live, they say it's the Arctic chills. It's coming from the Arctic. We are in the Arctic, sending you all the chills down there wherever you are. Unbelievable. So we're going to the Arctic Circle. Northern Lights, of course, we're gonna do that eventually. But some people are gonna fly, we're not. We're gonna be on the bus. So a lot of the activities and the bucket list stuff, we did Northern Lights, then we did the snowmobile, and now it's going to be epic. Arctic Circle. We're going to the circle, to the point where the cold comes through. I never thought I'm gonna do this, but I'm here in Alaska, Fairbanks. It's gonna be all day tour. We're gonna see the gas pipeline, 800 miles long gas pipeline. Then we're gonna get to Arctic Circle, get a certificate that we were here, I was here, and then come back after midnight. So travel with us and you'll know how the journey goes. Welcome to Alaska. We are making this quick pit stop. We are an hour and a half out of Fairbanks and we stop for outhouses. If you're not aware of that term, that means lavatories, bathrooms, to release yourself. I would say we have still a lot of hours, a lot of miles to go. And this is the crew. It's getting colder by the hour. And of course, as you get closer to the Arctic, it's only gonna get colder and colder.
And I will stay in a comfortable silence. I won't talk about myself in violence. Ever since you, ever since you.
Which is north of the Brooks Range, so anything north of the Brooks Range is considered the North Slope, so a lot of them will say, oh, we're going up to the North Slope.
We are at this junction where it's Dalton Highway. This is the outlook. You can see that misty snow gives you a feel that you're getting closer and closer to the Arctic. This is Gateway to the Arctic. Welcome to the James Dalton Highway.
Shooting star in the sky, glimpse of hope in your eyes. Burn the old me together. Finding you was a missing part. Feels like it's a start. And I will stay in a comfortable silence. I won't talk about myself in violence. Ever since you.
doorstep of the bus. We just pulled out. And wow. And she was not kidding.
I wasn't kidding.
Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, we are at the Arctic Circle. And she says, come over. This is the first look of the Arctic Circle. I'm excited. Super exciting. Another thing achieved because of Vanessa. Thank you very much.
For you guys, you can see.
Woohoo!
Oh, I rolled back. Dang. Usually I do pretty well, but sometimes that happens. So we're rolling back. This is the south side. You gotta cross to the north side. Take some photos on the north side.
That's so cool. So this is it. It has happened. We've gotten here. Traveled all the way. Where we are. To another bucket list. Another achievement. Not many people come over here. Or you can say, make it here. But we have. Arctic Circle. Another bucket list event ticked off. What an achievement. What an achievement. Dalton Highway, Alaska, latitude 6633. We are finally here. Arctic Circle.